Hello, in today's video we'll be making an advanced VIP door system. Okay, let's get started then. So first, go into service, open a regular server script and name it underscore the door, but replace second O with a 0. So maybe you can delete the server script, obviously. And then I'm first going to put where it's located, so you don't need to do the parts. So script service dot underscore VIP PO0R. Okay. So let's get started on the services then. Services. So you're going to need local player for this one, so you can retrieve the players, I mean. Game, get service, players. Then you need the PhysicsService as well, so we can easily make so you can go through a door without other people going inside. It's that full time as you. Or it glitching out. And we need marketplace service because I'm going to make this a product. Marketplace service. Okay, there you go. And because I'm not making settings, I'm making it interactable, I have the settings as well. You need the Gamepass underscore ID equals. For now, we'll leave that blank. Let's leave it blank. Space dot spawn point, spawn location. Yeah, for now we'll just leave that blank. Okay, then VIP group. Yeah. Okay, make the VIP group. Underscore VIP players. There you go. Then local VIP door group. VIP door underscore group equals underscore VIP. I don't do underscore. There you go. Okay, so first we get started on the Gamepass ID. So you can delete whatever you've got there. And so head to your browser. So obviously I've got YT tutorials. So head to your game and then go to monetization, then go to passes, create a pass, VIP, fill it out with whatever you want, create the pass, press the colons, copy pass ID, and return to Roblox Studio and paste it in there. Yeah, I'll give it 5 seconds. Okay, that should be long enough. Okay, next, you're going to want to go here, copy it, Control C, and then you're going to have to go to, they moved it, yeah they did move it, you're going to have to go to Window, 3D, Collision Groups, and it'll open this little panel. Okay, so you want to add a group to it, VIP players, yeah, you can leave everything the exact same if you want. Then go back to script, copy VIP door, and add that as well. But then untick VIP players so they don't collide with the door. Okay, right. So now VIP players won't collide with the door, but now we've got to make it so VIP players can be seen by the system. So we name this Collision Group Creation. So we're going to do a P call and put that in some parentheses. PhysicsService, register collision group, VIP group. Okay, that'll create the VIP group. And PhysicsService dot register collision group, VIP door group. Okay. Then we'll do collision rules. Let's do the rules of the collision. I've just realised that this makes different collision groups, so I just did that for no reason. There. I should probably put a slash here. Okay, collision rules. It won't matter, you don't need to delete it. So as of now, that's it. Breaks the game, set collidable, and we'll drop, so I can add a bit more in there. So we'll do VIP group, comma, VIP door group, comma, then put false. Now VIP players can walk through VIP doors. Now we need to set character to the collision group. So we'll do a local function. These are low caps. Set the collision group. Character, comma, group name. Do it capital. Then we'll do for underscore comma object in I pairs. This character get descendant to the character. We'll put some more brackets on that, and then do if object is a from this colon. If object colon is a base part, then object dot collision group equals group name. Okay, that changed the player's collision group. Let's go down a bit. Now we need a place to check the game passes to make sure that they have the VIP game pass. Function player owns VIP player local success owns pass equals people function. Return marketplace service colon user owns Gamepass sync and make it drop a line and go up player dot user ID. Never use player name because that is a changeable value. Only 1,000 Robux as well, so not very ideal. Okay, now make it look a bit nice. Correct, yeah, bit of that, yeah. I think that looks pretty good, don't know about you. Okay, next we'll go outside to this end right here. If success, then return owns pass. Okay, now we'll do return false. That means the player does not own the pass. Okay, now we've got to set out for when the player joins. Player join. Players.player added. Connect function. Player. Okay, now player got character added, connect function, character. Alright, there we go. Local owns VIP equals player. I had it right there. Ah, come on. It's in player owns VIP. Player. Now we're going to make use of these functions we have there. Set creation group, character, VIP group. Now print player.name. Oh, now this if you actually want it to go into the chat, no layer VIP, no into the F9 category, that area. Developer, so that's it. And if you want it in there. And then else. Print. No, it's not VIP. There, dot, name, dot. Is not VIP. In caps, so they know that they're not welcome here. Okay, now, after all this, we will now go into workspace, and we will bring a part, yeah? Now, if I could select the part, rotate it, use control to scale it pretty big, really fast if you want, move it a bit further away from spawn. Now anchor that ball, and then we'll scroll down to get to, I missed it, Collision Group, that's it. I forgot the Collision Group name, so I'm going to go up here and go VIP door. There we go, you've got to press tab and enter twice. There you go. Now this is a VIP door. So, the I own that pass. So now I can press play. And I should be able to look straight through it. There you go. Undisturbed and VIP door. There's a VIP. Now, if I go back here and I write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, press play again, I am stuck. I cannot get through the door. And quick programs, it's not VIP. Okay. Make sure to like and subscribe. I want to get 500 subscribers, and also don't forget to join the Discord server in the description. Thank you.